In this video, you'll learn how to use multi-language support in Perplexity AI. This guide will help you interact with the platform in various languages, ensuring that you receive responses in your preferred language. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Perplexity AI website. Once the page loads, you will see a text input area where you can type your questions. Ensure that the interface is fully loaded before proceeding. Now type your question in the language of your choice. For example, if you choose to ask in Spanish, type ¿Cuál es la capital de Francia? After entering your question, press the Enter key or click the Submit button to send your inquiry. Perplexity AI will automatically recognize the language of your question and respond in Spanish. You should see the answer displayed below your input, confirming that the system has processed your request correctly. If you want to force a specific language for the response, you can do so by adding a directive in your question. For instance, if you ask in Spanish, ¿Cuál es la capital de Francia? Answer in English. The system will generate the response in English instead. After you submit this modified question, the reply will be displayed as the capital of France is Paris. This feature allows you to control the language of the answer regardless of the language used in the question. For those who wish to set a preferred language for all responses, navigate to your profile, click on Profile in the upper right corner, then select Settings. Under the Preferred Response Language section, choose your desired language such as French. This setting will make all answers default to French, unless you specify otherwise. You can switch languages at any time by simply typing your question in a different language. For example, if you type Shidia de Ichiban Takayama nan desu ka? In Japanese, the reply will be displayed as Sikti as Sikkei Ichiban Takayama waraberesu desu. This flexibility allows you to communicate effectively in multiple languages. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.